Never drop eggs straight into boiling water. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to boil eggs the way a five-star restaurant would. With this method, the eggs come out soft, super easy to peel, and the shells practically slide right off. The yolks turn out perfectly cooked, not dry, and best of all, the flavor is amazing. Let's get started first. Give the eggs a good wash. Wash the eggs thoroughly. These are fresh from my backyard, so they've got a lot of dirt on them. Sometimes even chicken droppings, feathers, or dust. Cleaning them makes sure everything stays hygienic and keeps your pot from getting dirty. Don't skip this step. E. coli bacteria can enter your body through digestion and cause illness. Once they're clean, place the eggs in a clean bowl and fill it with water until the eggs are completely covered. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all over the world. First, give the eggs a quick rinse to wash off any dust. Then soak them for about 3 minutes to make cleaning easier. But keep in mind, only soak the eggs if you're going to use them right away. If you're not cooking them immediately, don't soak them, or they'll spoil faster. A quick, thorough wash is all you need. After soaking the eggs, use a stainless steel scrubber to gently clean the shells. Be careful, press too hard, and the eggs could crack. When a hen lays an egg, it passes through the cloaca, the same opening used for waste. So it's really important to wash them thoroughly before cooking. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button. I truly appreciate your support. Eggs are incredibly nutritious, packed with vitamins, minerals, protein, and choline. They're great for everyone, from kids to seniors. I've also added subtitles in multiple languages, so feel free to pick the one you like. Drop a comment below and let me know which country you're watching from. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. After soaking the eggs, use a stainless steel scrubber to clean the shells. Once washed, the eggs look shiny, clean, and safe to use. Continue scrubbing the eggshells the same way for all the remaining eggs. After scrubbing the eggs clean, rinse them with clean water. Avoid soaking the eggs in water for too long. Just rinse them quickly to keep the protective coating intact. The eggs are now washed and look so clean and shiny, don't they? Having spotless eggs makes you feel more confident when cooking. And not only do they look appealing, but they also reduce the risk of bacteria and help protect your family's health. Now I'm going to test 2 different boiling methods so you can really see the difference. With the first method, I'll start boiling the eggs in cold water. As you'll notice, the shells stick and the eggs are much harder to peel. I boiled the eggs for 15 minutes and now I'm taking them out to cool before testing them. While waiting for the eggs from the first method to cool, I'm preparing the water for the second one. To be more precise, this time I'll be steaming the eggs. Set a steaming rack on top and place the eggs on it. Then I steam them for about 17 minutes. When you boil eggs directly in water, they often crack and the whites leak out, such a waste. Some eggs also end up hard to peel, which ruins their appearance. With steaming, you just turn the heat up until the water boils. The steam gently and evenly cooks the eggs. No need to worry about starting with hot or cold water, and you don't have to measure the exact water level either. It's much more convenient than traditional boiling. If you peel them right away, they'll be too hot to handle. So prepare a bowl of cold water to cool them down first. The cold water helps the eggs cool quickly and makes peeling so much easier. As the whites contract in the cold, the shells loosen and slip off cleanly. Leave the eggs in the cold water until they're fully cooled. If you skip this step, the whites may stick to the shells, causing waste and ruining perfectly good steamed eggs. For soft-boiled eggs, steam for 8 minutes. For hard-boiled eggs, steam for 15 to 17 minutes. Overcooking will dry them out, make them harder to digest, and ruin the flavor. Now that the eggs have cooled, I'll take them out and dry them with a towel. The eggs with their shells cleaned look so satisfying. Do you like this pure white color of the eggs? Let me know in the comments. This is the egg I boiled in cold water without soaking it in ice. Let me peel it for you to see. I really enjoy cracking the eggshells like this. It's so relaxing. Do you share the same hobby as me? I started peeling the egg, but it's really hard to peel. Oops, I lost a piece of the egg white. The egg white sticks to the shell, and the membrane is very difficult to remove. You see, if you don't put the eggs into cold water after boiling, they're really hard to peel. With this method, the peeled eggs don't look very appealing. Now I'm going to peel the eggs that were steamed and then placed in cold water right after. You see, I can peel the eggshell very easily and quickly, with no egg white sticking to the shell or the membrane clinging to the egg. The peeled eggs also look much more appealing. This is soy marinated eggs, one of my absolute favorites. Now, I'm going to cut one in half. Let's take a look together. Here's a quick note. Don't drink tea right after eating eggs. The protein in eggs can react with the tannic acid in tea, which may cause indigestion. Also, try not to combine eggs with soybeans since that can interfere with nutrient absorption. Give this steaming method a try. You won't be disappointed. Do you know any other tricks for cooking eggs? If you have a tip to share, drop it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it.